I am worthy of success. I can achieve greatness. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I attract success in whatever I do. The power is within me. I have the power to create all the success and prosperity I desire. I let go of old negative beliefs that have stood in the way of my success. My mind is free of resistance and open to exciting new possibilities. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer, and I deserve to be successful. I am in charge of my own life. The universe is filled with endless opportunities for me and my career. I am always open-minded and eager to explore new avenues to success. I believe I can do anything. I am full of energy. My confidence, positive attitude, and self-belief are my greatest gifts to take me a step closer to my success. I have the personal skills and abilities necessary to be a success in all that I do. Success is my birthright. I have an endless supply of new ideas that help me become more and more successful. I have released all limiting beliefs about my ability to succeed. I am free of negative thinking. I am grateful for my financial success. I am living the dream. I am proud of myself. I am in charge of my life. I have the power to make my dreams come true. I am a strong individual who attracts success and happiness. Success, money, and happiness come easily to me. I can achieve any goals I put out into the universe. My success is contagious. I am confidently getting things done. Every day, I become more confident, powerful, and successful. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer, and I deserve to be successful. I always expect a positive outcome, and I naturally attract good results. I am a winner and act as such every day. I will do what it takes to succeed in my business. I am worthy of what I desire. I am open to limitless possibilities. I am smart, capable, and talented. I achieve whatever I set my mind to. I am capable of achieving greatness. I get better every single day. My life is a magnet for abundance in all areas of my life. I believe in myself. I am prepared to succeed. I am smart. I am making the right choices. My efforts help me succeed. I am important. I have faith in my abilities. I got this. I am grateful for what I can do. I am happy to be me. I will find the good in all things. Prosperity flows to and through me. I will succeed by attracting people who can help me. My confidence, positive attitude, and self-belief are my biggest assets to take me a step closer to my success. My mind is clear of self-doubt, and I am ready to embrace every challenge that comes my way. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. I am capable of doing hard things. I am confident and good at what I do. I have the courage to create a successful life. I easily increase my income. I overcome work difficulties with ease. I am improving as a professional every day. I handle stressful situations with wisdom. I am motivated to go after my dreams. Great things always seem to come my way. I find it easy to succeed at everything I do.